Everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily add in your height on your Tinder profile. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So first of all, just go to your Tinder app to make sure you're logged in there. Once your Tinder app is open, you will simply tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on that, tap on this setting icon above right corner, tap on it. So just to show you, there isn't an option called change height or add height. So there isn't an option like that. So even if you go back and tap in this edit profile option, you won't be able to find a height option where you will add your height there. So what you can do instead, you have an option called about me. Tap on that and you can write in, because this about me thing is gonna be visible to the user of Tinder in your profile. So you will simply type in there. It will be easy also because you do not have a distinct option like you have other option given by Tinder. So yeah, this is how you can change your height, edit your height, type in your height on your Tinder app easily. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.